Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. Hope all are of you doing good. So in today's video, it's a very important video for all of you. So in today's video, we will discuss about the Microsoft free courses. You will get the certification badge. You will get the free Microsoft examination. You will get the certificate certified by Microsoft after giving the examination in few of the courses that I will discuss now. So all of you are interested in these topics that in Microsoft website it's written for every exam they need some payment to do, like for Azure fundamentals course there is a payment showing there like 3,600 rupees in case of Indian values. So I will just give you the link where you will be able to get those examination coupon code, and you need to give those exam for free. So I also have done the certification by taking help of that link. So that's why I'm suggesting for you guys, those who have interest in this topic and in this area, you can go for it. So all of you are interested about the Microsoft learnings like Azure fundamentals and also the data engineer topics and also the Azure data architect course. So all of those courses are there, we know that, and in this video I will discuss about the first course, that is the fundamental course, this Azure fundamentals exam, and the name of the exam is AZ900. okay, so for that exam you can get the free material, study material from the microsoftlearning.com website. okay, so it's very easier to get the idea about what is the syllabus of that exam and from which area the most of the questions will come. So what you have to do to get that free coupon, you need to attend the virtual sessions which is organized by Microsoft on certain days, and those sessions will be done in 2 days, and in those sessions they will discuss about the certification, the course regarding the topics also, like what is cloud computing and what is Azure and how you will going to use that. So in these 2 sessions you will get most of the ideas from there. So you have to attend those 2 sessions, then within 5 days you will be able to get the link of the exam and the exam code, and later you can schedule your exam in that website of Microsoft examination for AZ900, and you can give your exam within your timeline. Like if you are taking the course on 29th June, then for 29th and 30th June you need to go through the sessions, both the sessions as I have mentioned. Then after 5 days, like in the month of May, you will get, after 5th July you will get the link of the free coupon ID for the exam. Okay, so you need to redeem that and you need to schedule. You can schedule your exam within the 3 months validity. okay, I'm mentioning here within the 3 months validity of the redeeming of your coupon code. okay, like you will redeem on 5th July, you need to schedule your exam within October 5th. okay, in this 3 months times period you need to upload or you need to schedule your examination. So what you need to do, I'm showing you the links. I will also provide the links. So you can see the links are mentioned here. For first link, the exam is on or the virtual session is on 29th June. You can see what you have to do. You just need to register for the free training, and it's clearly mentioned there. If you attend both the session, you will be able to get the free coupon ID for exam, and also after completing the certification, they will provide you the certificate. It's issued by Microsoft. okay, in this page you need to do the registration. As you can see, the registration is full for this day, so you can choose the other day. okay, I'm just showing you that how you will do this. okay, so you can see that Microsoft Azure fundamental examination at no cost. Just click on register here for free training, then it will be redirecting to the Microsoft page. Yeah, this slot is available. You just need to give your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, and job role and company name, and also country, region, and company says you can register now. It's for 5th July and 6th July on both the day. Just remember the time zone, because it's not according to Indian time zone. You just need to convert this time into our IST time zone. Then you will be able to understand when the training will occur on those particular days. You can able to see that on the day 1 you will able to get the idea about Azure cloud concept, core Azure services, and Azure solutions and management tools. On the second day you will get security idea, network security idea of Azure, and pricing and lifestyle. Okay, so you will get a brief idea in about the exam AZ900 in this section. Okay, so I will give this link. As I have mentioned, you have to do the registration and you have to join both the session. Similarly, there is another date, that is 15 July. Similar way you can do the register here, click option. And also the last date for this virtual training day is 21st July. So you can choose any of the day which is preferable to you. Then after completing the session you need to prepare for the exam, and after that you can give the exam as I have mentioned what is the steps. Okay, so I think this is very much relevant to you. I have shared a very much important topic to you, and most importantly, this course can be taken by any of you students. You may be a student, you may be a teacher, you may be a professional, or you may be a engineer in your working firm. You are a Azure learner, basic base learner, so you can take the examination for free. Okay, so I think it's really helpful to you. If you really think it is helpful to you, please subscribe our channel and hit the like button for this video, and also share this video with your friends, because it's free news of Microsoft certification. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video with new job updates or new courses.